Welcome back to the Monday Marketing Minute.
One of our most popular blogs is about using hashtags on social media platforms. And today we're answering the big question: when should you use hashtags and on which platforms?
This topic is so big. We've split it into 2 Monday Marketing Minutes.
Check out part 1 today and stay tuned for part 2 next week.
Okay, before we dive in, I would just like to say, stop using hashtags on Facebook.
As we all know, social media can change in an instant, and Facebook has tried over the years to encourage users and businesses to use hashtags. Right now, it really isn't worth your time or energy.
And if no one is using hashtags, then no one is searching for them, meaning your hashtagged content isn't being seen by any more users than your non-tagged posts. Plus, tactic makes your page look a little out of touch, maybe even a little spammy.
On the flip side, we do recommend using hashtags on Twitter and LinkedIn.
Twitter and LinkedIn are very similar. You can use hashtags naturally in your post copy on both platforms, where we find they perform best. You can also include them at the end of the post, which still helps boost its reach, but it looks maybe a little less natural.
And you can actually follow hashtags on LinkedIn. A business page can follow up to 3 hashtags that group user posts together based on that hashtag. For example, we follow the hashtag franchise marketing, so we can share relevant information with that group.
And while you can't follow hashtags on Twitter's main app, lots of publishing tools like Hootsuite or TweetDeck do allow you to follow a specific hashtag.
That's all we have time for this week, but tune in next week when we talk about hashtags on Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and YouTube.
See you then.
Bye.